All right, so my name is Jenny, and I am going to help you make your donuts, but you're going to do all the work. So I hope you brought your mussels, because you're going to do a lot of mixing this morning, all right?
The Shawnee Mission East librarian, Miss Robinson, takes over her love of books to her second job as owner of Tastebuds Kitchen.
You know, reading is really important, especially for little kids. You know, they say that they should be read to every day, and so it kind of combines my love of books and cooking to do both together. So it's fun to, all the books we read correspond with what we're doing that day. So like today we did donuts, so I read The Donut Chef. And it's also a good break for them. They need a little downtime in the middle of the hour-long class, so it's a good time for them to sit and, you know, calm their minds a little bit and listen to a story.
Miss Robinson mixes family time with working because her husband and daughter also work with her at the kitchen.
It's pretty fun most of the time. I mean, sometimes we kind of disagree on things a little bit, but it's fun. My daughter is an 8th grader, and so she loves the little kids, so she'll come and help me a lot with the little kids. It's fun to have everybody here, and then, you know, we can just be together and do things together still. So.
Whether it's a senior paper or donuts, both jobs allow Miss Robinson to do her favorite thing, which is help people. But one person may leave a bit more satisfied.